That's Winkle.
Wrinkle.
Winkle.
And that one is Wrinkle.
Wrinkle.
I mean Wrinkle. Wrinkle's mother. Wow, they're so cute. They really are. I can show how they can move.
Which one is the girl?
Which one?
And which one is the boy?
The one that's not moving is the boy.
The one that's not moving.
And the one that's moving is a girl.
The girl is Winkle, and the boy.
If they move, they are a girl. If they move, if they stand, they are not a girl. They're a boy. Oh, the first one is coming towards us. Oh, so cute. Look at the other ducks. They're literally going to the pond. They're literally going to the pond. I don't think they can hold much longer their breath. See, look at them. They're so cute. Oh wait, what's that? What is that? What's that? What is that?